Do you want to control who can see the games you play on Xbox? In this video, I will show you how to manage who can view your game history on the Xbox app step by step, helping you protect your privacy and control what others can see on your profile. Adjusting these settings lets you decide whether your gaming activity is visible to friends, everyone, or only you. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Xbox app. In this page here, you will find this sign of profile, so we'll tap on this sign of profile on above. Then this list you will find this sign of settings, so we click on settings. After that, here you will find privacy. You will go to privacy, and then here in this page you will find this window of who can see your game and app history, and you will tap here, and then you can choose who can see your game and app history, whether if you want to choose only me or friends or everyone. So you can choose whatever you want here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next